Welcome to section 105 of our Eris tutorial video series. In this section, we will review settlement and the retrieval and reporting of Eris swap cash flows. Following execution, your trade will automatically clear and settle to your futures account with your chosen clearing broker. Your account is a margin account, and to satisfy the margin requirement, your clearing broker will debit cash from your equity account and assign it to meet the initial margin required for the Eris position. Future changes in the price of your Eris position will reflect changes in market rates and accruals and payments of fixed and floating cash flows due to the passage of time. As your position increases in value, your clearing broker will move funds from your margin account back into your equity account. And conversely, as your position decreases in value, funds will be moved from your equity account to your margin account to satisfy the minimum margin requirement. Funds in your equity account may be withdrawn by you at your discretion at any time, but you may wish to keep an equity balance to meet daily margin rebalancing due to changes in market rates. With respect to accounting, Eris contracts are very versatile. For traders concerned only with their total return, then daily changes in account value are all they are likely to be interested in recording. But as Eris contracts embed swap cash flows, it's also possible to separate price changes into the three ledgers associated with any swap. A, the present value of future cash flows. B, past cash flows and accruals. And C, the accumulating daily interest on collateral, which is a crucial financing component of the swap market and often called price alignment interest. As Eris positions reflect swap cash flows, they may be designated as FASB or IFRS cash flow or fair value hedges. If the equivalent swap meets hedge designation, then the Eris position will meet designation too. Eligibility may be proven using a quantitative effectiveness test, widely available from various systems vendors and hedge advisors. With swap cash flows settling in a single unit of account, cash flow management and reconciliation is now also easy and automatable. Your cash flow reporting will be driven by the contract explanatory data that is available in the daily settlement files. This explanatory data is found in the three accounting ledgers that I mentioned earlier and reflects the realized values, i.e. cash flows that have passed plus cash flows that have accrued but not yet been paid, and the unrealized values, those which are to take place in the future. With this data available every day, realized income or expense during a reporting period is nothing more than the change in the realized cash flow ledgers during these 2 dates. And the unrealized income or expense is the changes in the present value of future cash flows less accruals from the last coupon date, or the clean swap NPV. With this data published daily for every Eris contract, reporting and reconciliation may be automated easily. Lastly, Eris contracts are taxable under Section 1256 of the U.S. Tax Code, and this affords versatile treatment. By default, annual gains or losses are treated as capital gains, with 60% treated as long-term and 40% treated as short-term. But Eris positions may be designated as IRS Section 1221 hedges, exempting them from Section 1256 capital gains treatment. In this case, payments and accruals in the current tax year are treated as taxable income, while unrealized gains or losses in the present value of future cash flows are then taxed in the years in which they occur. We'd be happy to speak with you, your accountants or tax advisors, to go through this in more detail. This concludes our video tutorial series, and we hope that you have enjoyed them. The tutorials have illustrated how easy it is to use Eris swap futures for both trading and hedging interest rate risk. But if you have any questions, we'd be happy to discuss them with you. We may be reached at info@erisfutures.com or on 646-961-4400. Additional information may also be found on our website, erisfutures.com. Thank you for your interest in Eris Swap Futures.